Everybody, Mike Vacchi here from Princetontrader.com, futures trading education here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. All right, let's start on the daily, then we'll talk about the hourly. This week has really been about the ability of the bulls to convert the 2191.5 area from the prior all-time high now to a couple of days of confirmed support. What we saw at the same time was this consistent bumping up upon the 2203 area, and that had been, really 2 days of resistance. You can see that there. I've marked off 2203 and 2191.5 on the daily chart. What we're seeing tonight, last night, and you've got to understand that yesterday's session on Thanksgiving and today, and I hope everybody had a really good day, they all fold into one session, okay? We've been trading for Friday's session, which ends today sometime after 1 o'clock, since we opened up Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Okay, so yesterday was just Globex, and it closed and it opened back up, but it's all for Friday's session. What the bulls need to do today is just to keep doing what they've been doing, which is every time price comes down to deal with 2203. See, here's 2203 resistance, 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 resistance. They get through it yesterday, okay, which is all just one big overnight session for Wednesday. And they're trying to hold it up here in the pre-market. So if you're a bull, you want to hold 2203. If you're a bear, you want to break that, and then you want to try to get back to work on 2191.5. It's Friday. It's a light day. It's a half day. We're in the middle of a holiday weekend. Very similar to yesterday, all of that favors the bulls. All of that says we drip higher. Could there be some profit taking today? Sure. Could there be a ripping move higher today? Yeah. But what I think it's more likely is you're just going to see this vacillation up in the low 2200s waiting on next week, absent some kind of news. So you have to be really careful if you're coming into today saying, all right, we're over 2200. It's been enough. I'm done. This thing needs to come down. No, it doesn't. It really doesn't need to come down. It doesn't need to do anything. All it needs to do is keep converting all these areas that it keeps converting. There's a bid under this market. I'm sorry. Okay? And I know people get upset mostly because they're in positions that they want to turn around. The market will turn around and go down, but it's not going to do it within your time frame. It's going to do it when it's ready to do it. So far, it's not ready to do it. The baby steps that would indicate to me that it may be ready to do it would be break 2203, hold below 2203, get below 2200, and close below the opening print for the regular session. That's something they have not been able to do at all. If we get a morning dip this morning, you need to operate under the assumption that that dip is going to be bought and is going to grind back higher to new highs. And until that dynamic is broken, and broken more than once, this isn't going to change. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Follow us over at Twitter, at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website. Check out the Facebook page. Come check out the chat room. Don't sit in a vacuum and assume this stuff is going to go down. And get into these short trades and other stuff that you can't deal with. Our week is made. We're just buying dips and we're putting solid days together. And that's our plan every day. It's our plan for the rest of the year, and that's our plan for next year. It's not exciting, but it's consistent and it's risk controlled. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.